ಅಪ್ಪುವರ ಶ್ರದ್ಧಾಂಜಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿರುವ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಅವರು and all dignitaries, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. I'm still unable to digest that Puneeth is not here. I have memories of Puneeth avaru. I worked with him in Rajkumara as his father, and then the last film, about almost 35 days back, I was with Puneeth working in his film James. I have no words. Vartikal Varlilla. I can express myself in Kannada because ಈ ಮಣ್ಣು 1977 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ರೋಡ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇಪರ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೇವೆ ನಾನು. ಸೊ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದೇರ್ ಐ ರೀಚ್ ಸಮ್ವೇರ್. I have a lot to say about Puneeth, but I'll become too emotional because only about 40 days back I spent a lot of time. Nangondu operation aitu. There was a climax fight for James picture. Adali work madakagilla. Puneeth avaru anna dope maadu tagondu bidtini, don't worry. Close up ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರು. And what I liked, he cooked and brought it to me and fed me in the caravan. I just can't forget. That's why when I heard this unbelievable, I would say a tragic and unforgivable act of the Almighty, I would say. ಸಮೀಕ್ಷೆಗಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ದೇವರಲ್ಲಿ. Because he is living in our hearts, like everybody has already said about Puneeth avaru. We always say, we are not born or we don't die. We are passing through a planet. When you are passing through a planet called Earth, what do you leave behind for others to follow? That is exactly what Puneeth avaru has done. He has left behind a legacy. There is a soul looking through his eyes. And he has initiated people to donate the organs which are very, very essential. And I hope every one of us here take a leaf out of Puneeth's goodness. And it is welfare activities that he has done and left behind, which is unknown. Like they say, Tamil ஒரு பழமொழி இருக்கு, இடது கை கொடுப்பது வலது கை தெரியக்கூடாது என்று சொல்வார்கள். You should not know. The left hand gives, the right hand should not know. So Puneeth, after his demise, he has come to light, and I thank the Honorable Chief Minister for announcing the Karnataka Ratna, the highest award. And it is, Karnataka Ratna is the highest award. And Rajyotsav award kuda kodta idare really. That you have to be above 60. ಅದು ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ Puneeth is going to live forever. If you can make some, like everybody, Ashok ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದರು, that he should be honored in such a way, everybody should honor him, that posthumously we can give him Padma Shri. The highest award is Bharat Ratna. Why not Bharat Ratna is what I would think. Posthumously we can even give Bharat Ratna. He's a great human being. A human being who thought about the society in general. I'm a politician, actor. We all are here to do service to the entire society as a general. So he is somebody not being in politics. He has given his self without anybody knowing. So today many people do so many things. It's an act of publicity which Puneeth, knowing him so closely, I never knew he had done so much. I have donated my body organs, but that when you die, when you leave this world, how difficult it is going to be for the next of kin to do that act of giving his eyes. That shows the greatness of Rajkumar family. He has promised to donate his eyes, and they have donated his eyes. So all of us have taken a leaf out of his deeds that he has done, and he's living with us. And this is the very same place that we had the function of Rajkumar's 100 days. I never thought I will come for a Shraddhanjali of Puneeth Avaru. I thought Puneeth will come to my Shraddhanjali because I am 67 years old. I think God should have taken me instead of Puneeth. That is how I feel about Puneeth. I could have given my life to him. I would still give my life to the entire family of Rajkumar, our family. Shivana was close to me. Puneeth was very close to me. Raghavendra was close to me. And we should be indebted to this family forever in Karnataka. And the Karnataka, in Bangalore especially, the very first salary that I earned is from Bangalore as a cycle boy. So I have my roots here. My life has started here. And I'm indebted to the state of Karnataka for the award, and then indebted to the Rajkumar family, Shivana, like all of us, we are pledged over here. We will be of service to you in whatever day, whenever you call us. We'll be there to be of service as volunteers, not as celebrities. Let us all remember, Puneeth is living, and he'll live forever in our hearts. As long as his industry lives, as long as the people love cinema, and as long as the people in the society feel that good human beings should be remembered, Puneeth will always be remembered. And let us pray for his soul to rest in peace. And he is definitely looking upon all of us, and he is blessing all of us. And he has left, the God should have given one more chance, which he has not given. But let us all take the leaf out of his good deeds and carry on his good deeds. Thank you.